I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of SERI and IPONGO. SERI and IPONGO have been advocating electoral reform since 2008. SERI was initiated in India and Nepal to enhance genuine democratic participation through the proportionate electoral system. It's present in 15 states and has also stepped into 7 more states now. IPONGO has been very actively advocating individual social responsibility towards good nation building since its inception. The bedrock philosophy is it's better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. It's better to realize our responsibility towards the nation, towards the society, and towards ourselves also, and to ignite that spark to bring about a change in the society for a better nation building. So today we gather here to discuss proportionate electoral system, the need for it, and the way it can bring about genuine participation of citizens in the democratic process and bring about a change in the society. We always believe in igniting the spark within ourselves and start our ceremonies with a candle lighting ceremony where we revive the values of the constitutional pledge. I would like to request General Vinod Sehgal to come here and lead the pledge leading ceremony, and I would like to request all of you to light candles with us and join us for the ceremony. Welcome, Mr. General Sehgal.
We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, ensuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you very much for joining us today. Nice to see this small gathering of people, most people who have been our partners and working on electoral reforms. It was in 2008 that, along with NNFI, we started this process of building up the campaign for electoral reforms. And just yesterday I was speaking to someone and he said, you guys seem to be doing everything much prior to its time, and then everybody steals the thunder. But it's always good to be the thought leader, and it's good to see people taking the thunder. But the point is that we need to do this in a very dignified way. It has to be done in a way where people understand what we are doing rather than just creating euphoria about it. And SERI, which was also started in 2008, immediately after the electoral reform process that we had started, has been working on this in a very systematic manner and going across the country, building public opinion, speaking with various thought leaders, speaking with people working on electoral reforms, and has managed to get a lot of parties to kind of buy into